It's your chance to meet the winner of Don Blue's Intern Idol, Carlos!
It's me. It's me. It's me. Hey, I'll take you to the moon.
How does it feel? How does it feel?
Yeah, it feels about the same as I did when I woke up this morning.
What time did you wake up?
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. Good times, good times. Tell us a little about yourself, Carlos.
Well, I'm 25. I'm a student in San Francisco, University of San Francisco, from Los Angeles originally, but I moved up here because I love the city, and I love the culture, the diversity here.
Give us a little of your winning song.
Which part? The Fly Me to the Moon part or the I Love You part?
Either one. Whatever you like.
Okay.
Ready? And...
Fly me to the moon, let me say something, I don't know the words, where's my paper?
Woohoo! Congratulations, Carlos the intern!
Thank you. I need the sheet with my words, I don't have it here. Sorry.
End scene.